How to delete suggested on Messenger. The suggested people list on Messenger appears when you tap on the search bar if you have already opened up Messenger. As you can see under suggested, there I have some account, and that is because if you have synced your Messenger with the contact from your phone or your Facebook account. The sync contacts are often shown as suggestions here on Messenger. Now, if you like to manage or delete that, what you can do is you have to navigate to the Messenger settings. For that, you can close this, tap on the three-line icon from the top left corner, tap on settings icon. Here, scroll down a bit and navigate to privacy and safety. So once you're under this, at the top section, tap on hidden contacts. Now you can add the contacts right here to hide from your suggested contact. So tap on the plus icon from the top right corner. And here you can choose the contact that you want to hide or remove from your suggested list. For example, I want to hide this. And once you have hidden this contact, now if you go back and refresh your page, the contact will no longer be shown in your suggested list. So that's how you can manage or delete suggested on Messenger, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.